Hello students, welcome to Reddy's classes. Hope you all are fine at home. So as we were studying 9th standard ICSE exercise 3A expansion chapter. So let us continue the chapter now. So we have one question here. In the last exercise in the previous session in the same exercise but in the previous session we talked about the formula for A plus B plus C the whole square. We studied about the formula. What was the formula? A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus BC plus CA. This is the exact formula for it. We will be applying this formula for the questions. Okay, let us start. So here you can see this is the value for A, this is for B and this is for C the whole square. The same formula is going to be used now. So let us start. We have A square plus B square plus C square. So A square is what? 2x square A square plus B square is minus 3y square plus C square is 7z square. A square plus B square plus C square plus 2. AB is what? A and B means, can I make this bracket as like this, and 2x and multiply by minus 3y. Directly can I write it like this, minus 3y plus BC means minus 3y. Always use the minus terms in brackets, make sure about it. BC is what? 7z plus what is the value for CA? C is 7z into 2x. So we have the value here. Okay, let us close this bracket. Let us solve now. Square for 2 is 4, x square is x square plus minus square becomes positive, 3 square is 9, 9y square plus 7 square is 49, z square plus 2 into, let this 2 be outside and let us solve the bracket inside. 3 to the 6, it will give you minus 6xy because plus minus is minus, plus 7 3s are 21, that is minus 21 yz plus 7 to the 14 xz. Here we close the bracket, simple multiplication rules. See here now, what is the value? 4x square plus 9y square plus 49z square plus, let us solve this now, plus minus 6 into 2, directly can I write plus minus 12xy, once again plus and this minus because plus minus is minus and this plus is minus. Okay, wait, let me show you for this question. For the next question we will be doing it directly. Minus 6xy plus minus 21yz plus 14xz. Okay, we have this value like this. Now 4x square plus 9y square plus 49z square plus minus 6 to the 12xy plus minus is once again minus 21 into 2 is 42yz plus is plus 14 into 2 is 28xz. Here we get the answer. So this is the exact way to solve the answer. You will have to use the multiplication tricks here and you have to solve. Make sure when there is any minus sign, negative sign, you have to use this bracket. Okay, let us see next sum here. We have another question here with the same formula, A plus B plus C. See, let it be a minus, but we have to use plus as an indication according to the formula. So we have the same formula here. Shall I use it like this? A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 AB plus BC. So I don't have place here, I am writing here, and CA 4z into 6. Here I close the bracket. So what is given here? Square for 6 is 36, minus 2y square is 4y square, negative sign becomes positive here, plus square of 4 is 16, z square plus 2 as it is here, 6 4s are 24z plus minus 4 to the 8yz plus 6 4s are 24z bracket close. Let us make these brackets outside here. Okay, let us open the bracket now. We have the value plus 16z square plus 2 into 24z minus 8yz plus 24z. We have this value here. Now let us solve this. 36 plus 4y square plus 16z square plus 24 to the 48z plus minus 8 to the 16 into yz plus 24 to the 8. Once again we have what? 48z. That is the answer for the question. Okay, there is some correction here. See here, what is the correction? I used a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab. You can see the value for a is 6 while that of b is minus 2y. So we have to change this value by minus. Say I am using the red marker here. You can see 6 and what is the value? Minus 2y. Okay, c is bc and ca. We have to only change this value here. See what is going to happen now. 2 into 6 to the 12 means here it will come minus 12y. It will come here minus 12y. Here also let us continue, minus 12y, and 12 into 2 is 24, plus minus is minus. We will get here 12 to the 24y. That's it. This is the actual required answer. Make sure while writing the formula you have to write the formula, and on the basis of the formula you have to solve this by giving this term a, b, c, so that you won't get this types of mistake in your exams. Okay, let us see the next question now. So here we have the next question. Here we have 4x minus 3y plus z. Question number 7. Second question is here. See now what we are going to solve it. A, b, c I am using directly. So I have the formula. As per the formula, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 ab, a into b, plus bc, ab plus bc. See, this is the multiplicative sign here. If I am using this bracket, then there is no use to put this multiplication sign. Then ca, what I have, ca as z into 4x, and here we close the bracket. So what is the value here? Square for 4 is 16x square plus 9y square plus square for z is z square plus 2 as it is here. What I get here? 4 3s are 12 minus 12xy. Okay, plus minus is minus 3yz. Directly I am solving here. Plus 4 into the xz is z into x, whatever xz is the same. We have values here. 16x square plus 9y square plus z square plus minus 12 to the 24 xy plus minus once again minus 3 to the 6 yz plus is plus 4 to the 8 xz. Here we go. Here is the answer. So let us solve some in the numerator and denominator value. There are the fractional value here. So what is given? A upon 2 plus 4 upon 3 plus c upon 4 the whole square. Once again we are going to use the same terms here. This for a, for b, this for c, a, b and c. Let us start the equation here. What we get? See, a upon 2 square, a square plus b square plus c square, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab, a upon 2 into b upon 3 plus bc, that is what, b upon 3 multiplied by c upon 4 plus ca, that is 6 upon 4 into a upon 2, bracket close. See, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus bc plus ca. Okay, so a square is a square upon square for 2 is 4 plus b square is what, b square upon square plus 3 is 9, c square is c square upon square for 4 is 16, 4 into 4 is 16, 4 square is 16 plus 2 into, let us solve this bracket, a into b ab upon 2 3s are 6 plus B into C is BC upon 4 3s are 12 plus C into A is CA upon 4 2s are 8. Here I have the value. So let us see now what is going to happen now. A square upon 4 plus B square upon 9 plus C square upon 16 plus 2 into AB 2AB upon 6 plus 2 into BC upon 12 plus 2 into CA upon 8. Now what is going to happen here is 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. See, you can divide these terms. Okay, so what I get here, A square plus 4 plus B square upon 9 upon C square upon 16 plus AB upon 3 plus BC upon 6 plus CA upon 4. Look at here what is happened here. First of all, we use the formula for A square plus B square plus C square. So then we have 2 AB plus BC plus CA. Okay, this is the actual formula what we used here. Always we use this formula for upon also, for fractions also we use the same formula, A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus BC plus CA, and so on. We solve one part of it here. As we come here, you can see this 2 is going to be multiplied with all the terms, this here, for this also, for this term also. So 2 into AB upon 6, 2 into BC upon 12, 2 into CA upon 8. So 2 and 2 this gets cancelled. Okay, for table 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6 and all. Okay, we have to write this equation here simultaneously. We get the solution. Let us see one more question. Sir, we have one question here, 2x plus 3 upon x minus 1 the whole square. We have to use the same formula for it, A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus BC plus CA. Okay, so here we have this value for A, this for B, this for C. Let us use directly, you know the formula now, you may have by hearted it. So what is A square? 2x square A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 into A into B, AB plus BC. See, this dot implies multiplication sign, or you can put here like this sign also, plus CA, that is minus 1 into 2x bracket close. Okay, see, square for 2 square is 4 x square plus 9 square is 3 square is 9 upon x square plus minus 1 square is plus 1, 1 square is always 1, 2 into, see, here is some twist now, this x and this x is going to cut because they are in multiplicative. Okay, 3 to the 6 upon x plus minus 3 ones are 3, 3 upon x, 3 ones are 3 upon x plus minus once again minus 2 ones are 2, that is 2x. That's it, we have here. Now let us use this 2 for all the corresponding values. Now 4x square plus 9 upon x square plus 1 plus 2 into 6 is what, 12 upon x plus minus 3 2s are 6 upon x plus minus once again minus 2 2s are 4x. See, simply we solve this equation. What happened here is, let me show you for this term, 2x and 3 upon x. For 2x and 3 upon x, can I write it like 3 to the 6, 3 to the 6x the upon x. Okay, we have 6x upon x. Okay, see here. So this x and this x gets cut, we have the value as 6 here. So let us see, we have 3 to the 6, 2 6 are 12 plus minus 2 3 the 6 upon x, so on. Okay, see, this is the solution for this term. Okay, for you all. So here we complete question number 8, first and third sum. You have to solve the second question here. We have the ninth question. See this question. This is the very simple question. It's not anything hard here. What we have to use here? See. First of all, what we are going to do, let us use this term. We are going to use this term for this whole and then this term for this whole. Okay. So how we are going to solve this? Let us use this term x. We have here x bracket x plus 4. See, I used x with this x plus 4. Which sign? Plus 7. Once again, this with this term. We have x plus 4. See, simple. We use this term with this plus this term with the same here. So, x square, x into x is x square, plus 4 into x is 4x, plus 7 into x is 7x, plus 7 4s are 28. So, x square plus 7 plus 4, 11x plus 28. Here we have the solution. This is the easiest solution here. We don't have to do anything. See, for this question also, I am going to use this term with this whole and this term with this whole. So, what is going to happen? See, equals to y bracket y minus 4. Then what I have here is minus 6. Let us use this minus 6. Once again, y minus 4. So, y into y is y square minus y into 4 is 4y minus 6 into y is 6y minus plus 6 4s are 24. So, y square minus is plus, but the bigger value is 6. It has this sign, minus sign. Let us use the sign same. Minus plus 6 plus 4 is 10. 10y plus 24. Here we go. We have this equation here. Okay. Let us see the next question. Let us start with the 10th question. Question number 1. We have 9 plus 2x bracket 9 minus 3x. We are going to use the same method as previous. So, let us use now. We have 9, then 9 minus 3x plus 2x, 9 minus 3x. So, 9 into 9 is what? 81 minus 9 3s are 27x plus 9 2s are 18x plus minus 3 into 2 is 6. X into x is x square. So, here we have the value. Now, what you are going to do is 81 minus plus minus 27 minus 18. What is the value we have? 9x. Why did I use minus sign? Because 27 has minus sign. Minus 6 square. Okay. This can also be written as minus 6x square minus 9x plus 81. This can be written as this. Okay. Because it has only positive sign here. Clear? So, let us see here. The next question we have 3 minus 7a, 3 plus 4a. So, what we have is 3 into 3 plus 4a minus, here we have the minus sign, 7a into 3 plus 4a, 7a into 3 plus 4a. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12a minus 7 3s are 21a minus plus minus 7 4s are 28 a square. So, let us solve this now. 9 plus minus, see here, minus, this has the minus sign. 21 minus 12, what is the value here? 9 directly, minus 9a minus 28a square. Okay, this can also be written as minus 28a square minus 9a plus 9. This can also be written as this. See, this is the simple sums. We have to use only the basic mathematical equations. We have to use this term with this and this term with this. Okay. Let us start with the question now. We have the same type of question, 3a plus 2b, 3a minus 2b. Let us solve. Now we have 3a bracket 3a minus 2b plus 2b, 3a minus 2b again. So 3 into 3 is 9, a square into a is a square, minus 3 2s are 6, a into b is ab, see, simple, plus 2 into 3 is 6, b into a can be written as ba or ab as it is, plus minus 2 2s are 4, b square. Okay, so we have the value here as 9a square. Now you can see here we have plus 6ab and minus 6ab. It gets cut. So plus minus is minus, 6ab minus 6ab is what? 0. We have 4b square. That's it. Okay, we can write this as like this, or 9a square minus 0ab minus 4b square. Okay, from these two equations you can write any one of them. So let us see the next question here. See here, we get an equation with upon for numerator and denominator type. We are going to use the same formula here, 2x square bracket 2x square minus 3 upon x square. Okay, this with the whole this equation plus this with the equation. So what I have is 2x square minus 3 upon x square. See, now you have to use the sign as well as the plus and minus sign properly, and the square equations also. What is going to happen is 2 to the 4. See here now, x power square into x power square is x raised to power 4. X raised to power 4. So this x square and this x square will become x power 4. So let us use this term as x power 4 minus 3 into 2 is 6 x square upon x square. Okay, let us first write the equation now. Plus 3 2s are 6 x square upon x square, plus minus 3 3s are 9 upon x square into x square is what? X power. You know the value x power 4. I saw here first of all. See, now what we are going to solve is 4x power 4 minus, you can see once again the term we have is this term. See this term, it is same as the above here, same. So directly we can cut this equation. So x square get cut, x square get cut, plus 6 minus 6 is what? 0. What is the left equation? Means the whole term this from here to here becomes 0. So what can I write? Is equal to 4x power 4 minus 9 upon x power 4. That's it. We have this equation here. We solve this equation. Okay. So till here you have understood much more. Now in the next lecture we shall study more expansions in the term and as well as simplify. Okay. So you have to study this and make sure while studying you have to write the whole equation. Start writing with me itself, because as you will get an answers here. Okay. Till then you have to stay safe, stay home.